लोकसभेच्या 2 कडेन आणि विधानसभेच्या 3 कडेन मंगळारा जातल्या पोटवेंचणुके खातीर वेंचणूक आयोगान जय्य तयारी केल्या। गोंयभर मतदानाक सकाळी 7 सुरवात जातली। सांजे 6 मेरेन मतदान करपाक मेळटले। गोंयचे सुमार 11.5 लाख मतदार केंद्रांतलो आपलो प्रतिनिधी थारायतले। विधानसभे खातीर 3 आमदारांकय गोंयकार मत दितले। वट्ट 28 उमेदवारांचो राजकी फुडार मंगळारा ईव्हीएम मशीनात बंदिस्त जावपाचो आसा। मतदानाच्या वेळार घेतिल्ली जतनाय आनी एकूण तयारी विशीं गोंयचो मुख्य वेंचणूक अधिकारी कुणाल गोवा 365 कडेन उलयलो। पळयात।
कसलोच भय बाळगिनासतना मतदारांनी घरांतल्यान भायर सरून मतदान करचें असो उलो मुख्य वेंचणूक अधिकारी कुणालान मारला। मतदारांची सुरक्षेची सगळी तयारी केल्ल्याचें तांणी सांगलें। श्रीलंकेत जाल्ल्या बॉम्ब स्फोटांचे फाटभुंयेर मातशी चडच जतनाय घेतिल्ल्याचें तो सांगता। पळयात।
We have received the report from the Goa police that increased vigilance has been done for all the tourist places and particularly churches and the hotels. And since we are having the extra central forces, so they will also double up as the second layer of security. And I would like you to know that we are having 40 flying squad in place and 40 quick reaction team consisting only of the central forces. So that way we have made double plan to ensure that if any violation takes place anywhere, we would be reaching in 5 to 10 minutes of time. And people should not fear coming out and voting. We are having proper mechanism in place.
अपंगुळांक आणि जाणट्यांक मतदार बुथार हाडून परत घरा सोडपाची तयारी केल्ल्याचे वेंचणूक अधिकाऱ्यान सांगले।
For our accessible election, we had targeted all the persons with disability who are registered with us, and at present we have tagged around 7,474 persons as disabled persons in our electoral roll. For them, we have organized dedicated training for each kind of disability, and we have given them a unique badge, most valued voter. And we have told our security person and polling officials that whenever these people come with that badge, they should allow free entry without any queue and a pleasant voting experience. Our ramp quality has improved. At every polling station, we have provided wheelchair, dedicated volunteers, drinking water shed facility, queue system, and improved toilet facilities. So everything is there at the polling station. To those who can't come, those who are having issues with the walking or something, our sector officer and our other polling official, they will pick him up and drop him after the voting.
मंगळारा 23 एप्रिलाक गोंयांत जातल्या लोकसभा आणि विधानसभेच्या वेंचणुकांची तयारी खंय पावल्या ते पळोवपाक गोवा 365 एक भोंवडी काडली। पळयात। व्हिडिओ पत्रकार यशवंत परब बरोबर आमचो खबराकार समीप नार्वेकार।